Hey everyone, my name is Atharv and today we are solving a Leetcode problem. That is, the problem state that we need to move all the zeros from the array to the end of an array. And now let's see the example. In this case, all the non-zero elements are moved at the front and all the zeros are at the last. Now let's see how we can solve this problem. So if somehow I take this 2 to here and I take this 3 to here and I take this 2 to here and I take this 4 to here and 5 to here and 1 to here. So now we will be solving this problem with the help of 2 pointers, and now we will be finding the first 0 and it will point by j. The first 0th element will be pointed by index j and the next element to the 0 will be pointed by I. Now what can we do that if the element at index I is a non-zero element, then we have to just swap the 2 with 0. In this case, the 2 is a non-zero element, then we have to just swipe the 2 with 0, and after swiping, the 2 will be here and the 0 will be here, and then we will just move our j pointer to front and our I pointer will also move to the front. And now, hey 3, are you a non-zero element? And the 3 will say yes I am. Then we will just swipe the 3 with 0, and then after swiping the 3 will come here and the 0 will be here. Then we will just move our j pointer to front and our I pointer will also move to the front. And now, hey 2, are you a non-zero element? And the 2 will say yes I am. Then we will just swipe the 2 with 0, and after swiping the 2 will be here and the 0 will be here. And then we will just move our j pointer to front and our I pointer will also move to the front. So now, hey 0, are you a non-zero element? And the 0 will say no. Then we'll just move forward, and in this case also and 0 is not a non-zero element, then we'll just move forward. And now, hey 4, are you a non-zero element? Then we'll just swipe the 4 with 0. After swiping, the 4 will come to here and the 0 will be here. Then we'll just move our j pointer to front and our I pointer will also move to the front. And now, hey 5, are you a non-zero element? And the 5 will say yes I am. Then we will just swipe the 5 with 0, and after swiping the 5 will come here and the 0 will be here. And then we will just move our j pointer to front and our I pointer will also move to the front. Hey 1, are we a non-zero element? And the 1 will say yes I am. Then we will just swipe the 1 with the element at index j, and after swiping the 1 will be here and the 0 will be here. So now all the non-zero elements are at front and all the 0 went at the last. Now step 1, j will equal to -1, and then we need to run a for loop from I equal to 0 till I is less than n, where n is the length of an array and I plus plus. And then if the ARR at index I is equal to 0, then j will equal to I, and then we need to just break our loop. After that, we need to run an for loop where the I is equal to j plus 1 and the I is less than n and I plus plus. Now if the array at index I is not equal to 0, we need to swap the ARR at index I with the ARR at index j, and after swapping we'll just move our I pointer to front. And now let's find the time complexity. So let's consider the first loop is running x time, like suppose the loop is running x time, like in this case, if the array at index I is equal to 0, then the first means in the first iteration the loop will run till this much time, and we can consider the loop is running x time and the length of a array is equal to n. Then we are starting the another for loop from j plus 1, and like in this case we are starting the another for loop from here. Then our loop will run from here to here, and it will be n minus x. So x plus n minus x is equal to n, where our time complexity will equal to big O of n and our space complexity will be constant. So basically this is an pseudocode. Now let's write that code in Leetcode. Firstly we need to assign a j equal to -1. We need to run an for loop from int I equal to 0 and I is less than nums dot length and I plus plus, and if the nums at index I is equal to 0, then we need to assign the j equal to 1, and then we need to just break our loop. And after doing that, as we discussed, we need to run again a for loop from int I equal to j plus 1 and I is less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Now if the nums at index I is a non-zero element, then we need to swap the nums at index I with the nums at index j. Now let's store the nums at index I in temp variable. Now the nums at index I will equal to the nums at index j, and the nums at index j will equal to temp. Then our j pointer will move forward. What if the array does not contain any zeros? Then what can we do? That if the j is equal to -1, then we have to just return. And now let's see it is working or not. Fine, it is working, and submit. I hope you understand the solution, and if you understand, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment, and bye.